In today's video, you will learn the basics of making GUI in Roblox Studio. But before we get into that, I'm getting close to my goal of 250 subscribers, so please help me out by subscribing. Let's get right into it. First things first, my Roblox Studio might look a little bit different, but it's all the exact same. So you want to click the GUI at the top and go along and click the plus next to Screen GUI. Then you're going to drag your frame into the center and scale it to whatever size you want. Then you're going to click the plus on your frame and type in UI corner. Then you're going to want to double tap the frame and change the size to whatever size you would like. Then you're going to want to do the exact same thing, but instead of a UI corner, you're going to want to do a UI stroke. And again, you can do whatever size of stroke you want. And it should look like something like this, so let's get into the second stage. Firstly, you're going to want to click the plus and you're going to want to add a text label. Then you're going to want to click on your new text label and put the background transparency to 1. Then you're going to want to tick text scaled and change the text to whatever you want. As I'm doing a shop, it's going to say shop. Then you can scroll up and change the font to whatever you want. And now you can move the text to wherever you want your shop sign to be. Now let's get into stage 3. First thing you're going to want to do is click the plus on your frame and add a scrolling frame. Then you are going to want to set the background transparency to 1. Then you are going to want to drag it to how big your shop or frame is, as you can see me doing now. And now you can see that it already works, but there is no frames inside, so we are about to do that now, by clicking on the plus of scrolling frame and adding a frame. It may be hard to see as they are both white, but you can click on the frame and you get the outline. And you can drag it to your preferred size. Then you're going to want to click the plus and add a UI corner. And set the size to whatever you want. Then you are going to want to add a UI stroke, and again, whatever size you want. And then we're going to copy and paste it by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then you want to drag it down into your scrolling frame and move it down to wherever you want it. As you can see it working now. Let's get straight into stage 4. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the plus to your main frame and add a text button and size it to whatever size you want it. Then you're going to want to change your background color to a red and the text to a capital X. Make sure you have text scaled on with a good font. Then you're going to want to click the plus and add a UI corner and change the size to whatever size you want. Now it is time to script it. First, you want to add a normal script into the text button and go in the description of this video and copy and paste the new script. Now let's test if it works. As you can see, it works fine.
I definitely didn't get this from ChatGPT.
And that is the end of today's video. This is a series, you will get more of this, but for now, peace.